Okay, so we've got this Murphy DS602, no doubt listening to people in Nottingham. We'll go to Mega Chippie channel and hopefully Mr. Chippie will be out there. I'll be poised with the extension speaker. We'll go over to that as soon as we've established contact. This camcorder has decided not to be in the central. So here we go. So if you saw the repair video, somebody fitted a crystal filter instead of the ceramic one, and it was either done wrongly or not working or whatever, and it was as deaf as a post, requiring S9 to be hearable. Is that the right word? Anyway, there you go. So let's see if Mr. Chippie's out there. If there's a racket in the background, it's the ultrasonic cleaners doing some records. Thank you.
21, go ahead.
Roger, all recording.
Roger that. Alright, looking up to the end of the line.
Roger got you the end of the line.
Roger.
So I'm going to put the extension speaker on. We'll benefit from that if I can find where to put it.
Oh, we're now passing Ancaster service station without crashing into a car reversing in the middle of the road.
Roger got you at Ancaster service station. Is there a price or has it shut?
It's shut a long time ago.
Funny how it didn't on bonfire night.
That's a Roger.
So it's much better volume, of course, through the extension speaker, as most sets are, especially newer ones with tiny speakers in them.
Right, we're now passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you at the top of the hill.
Roger.
So we'll now go back to the internal speaker and then he'll come out at Scratchy Corner.
Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now going around Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Murphy DS602 from 1981 and he's doing 3.7 watts over.
Yep, roger that, all received.
Roger. So although this isn't as sensitive as some sets, it still receives very well round Scratchy Corner. So that, you know, the machine sensitivity with the instrument isn't always the be all and end all of everything. What was it, 1.5 microvolts, something like that. You know, we have sets coming through in 0.27 microvolts, but in reality it makes little difference.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing. So that puts him at 3 miles away now, and if you looked at the previous video, David Quotages very kindly took these two photos of the innards to help us in our discovery as to what had happened to this radio in the past. Where's my map with all the points on? I was going to point out to you where we are on the route.
Right, we're now touching the Kelby turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Kelby turn. And that's the 4 mile point.
Right, we're now touching the Grayleys turn. Over.
Roger got you at the Grayleys turn. And that's our worst one. It's the 5 mile point. I've got the other map today, and this has the eastboard, and what we have here, he is just there. So we've got Ancaster, Wilsford, where Scratchy Corner is, and then he's currently at wherever he just said he was, I've forgotten. And then we end up at Roresby Level Crossing, and then finally we're still in communication when he hits that.
We're now going over Level Crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over Roresby Level Crossing, and is that petrol station open?
Yes, 1 194.9.
That was nice and clear, thank you very much, and that concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. So, what I was trying to say is, this shows Quarrington Roundabout, which is actually where the test has just ended. So it does Rossby level crossing, and he's still talking to me for that other third of a mile, and that's where we say the 10-10 points. That brings us to the 6 mile. So there we go. Another set rescued from the bin, I suppose. So we'll go over to our base station. It's the Midland 76-900. Point about these sets, they hum on transmit unless you earth the set. And we had one of these which actually caused us to change the entire base station aerial when it was actually the set which generated a hum. I don't know whether I can demonstrate that. When I go to the base station, I'm going to put an earth on the set by actually holding it, and then not put an earth on the set, and you'll see what the difference is. It's just something to watch. If you've got that hum loop that you think, my goodness, what's wrong with this? And the answer is actually nothing.
Tango 21 testing the Murphy DS602 into our Midland 76-900 base station. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And as ever, thanks for watching.